which Rajvi will take you through. And then we have deep breathing and body scan technique, which I will take you through. So these emotional grounding techniques, there is a basic rule below all these techniques. The mind is fooled into some other distraction and the emotions don't overpower us like in the case of emotional hijack. Clear? Okay.
It's generally used for anxiety patients so that they can label their emotions and they can understand their emotions better with a clear head. So I would want you all to practice along with me. So just take a mental note of the 5 things that you can see around you. It can be the wall, it can be the light, it can be the projector, it can be a pen, it can be the paper in front of you, any 5 things that you see around you. Just notice their colors, maybe understand what texture it might have, whether it's solid or it's liquid or it's gaseous. Then the second thing that you have to notice is 4 things that you can touch. So it can be the table in front of you which you can touch, you can practically touch it as well. It can be your mobile, your spectacles, the pen, the paper, anything that is in front of you that you can touch, which is within your reach. Then 3 things that you can hear. So as you all are very quiet, you all might be able to hear things other than my voice. So what are things other than my voice that you can hear? Anything else? Any 2 things that you can smell? It can be your body odor, it can be
the perfume
that might be there.
Or maybe the sweat of the other person sitting next to you.
And the last thing that you can do is one thing that you can taste, a taste that is already there in your mouth. So just observing that, it may be something from your lunch. Right. Your chocolate, yes. So, right.
You don't need to hold them up. Move to your stomach, release the stomach muscles, abdomen. Relax the lower part of your body up to your toes. Now, focus all your attention on the space between your upper lip and the nostrils. अपना सारा ध्यान अपने नासिका के छिद्रों पर ले आइए. And while focusing on the opening of your nostrils, try to look at the incoming breath and the outgoing breath with your eyes closed. सांस का व्यायाम नहीं करना है. You do not need to do Anulom Vilom or any other exercise with your breath. You just need to look at the breath entering your body and leaving your body.